Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so this time I will teach logarithmic function. Okay, so objective in this topic, so you will understand law of logarithms and know how to use the law of logarithms in solving the logarithmic function. Okay, so first, there is a relationship between indices and logarithms. Okay, so the indices actually you can change into logarithm, become this one. Okay, so this one the base of the base in indices. Okay, so if you change into logarithms, this base will become the base of logarithm. So ini base dia. Okay, so this one is the base for logarithm. Okay, so base for the indices will become the base for logarithm. Okay, so this one we read as log y base a, which is equal to m. Okay, so ni dia akan gerak pergi ke kiri. Y dengan m ni dia tak pindah ke mana-mana. So dia y kat sini, m pun dekat sini. Nampak? M kat sini, y dekat sini. Cuma asalnya m jadi kuasa, tapi kat sini dia dah tak jadi kuasa. And this a will bring to the left. Okay, so bawa pergi ke kiri dan jadi log base a. Okay, example this one. Okay, so find the value of x for each of the following. So a, so I have log 3x is equal to 4. Okay, so to find the value of x, so we need to cancel log. So in order to cancel log, we need to bring this base 3 to the right. Okay, so nak bawa 3 ni pergi ke kanan. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 3 power of 4, because the base of log become the base of indices and the power of 4. Ataupun kalau nak senang mudah, 3 ni dekat bawah. Okay, nak senang ingat, so dia bawa pergi sebelah, dia tendang 4 naik atas. Okay, so 3 ni dekat bawah, dia bawa pergi sebelah, tendang 4 naik atas. Okay, so this one if you change log to indices. Okay, so x is equal to 3 power of 4, which is equal to 81. Okay, so next b. Okay, so log x base 2, which is equal to negative 3. Okay, so again, so these two bring to the right, so you will have x equal to 2 power of negative 3. Okay, so from the index, if the power is negative, so it is become 1 over 2 power of 3. So it is equal to 1 over 8. Okay, so C. So we have log x plus 2 base 10, which is equal to 1. Okay, so bring 10 to the right. Okay, so kat bawah dia bawa pergi ke kanan, tendang 1 naik atas. So x plus 1 is equal to 10 power of 1. So x is equal to 10 power of 1, which is 10. And then this one plus 1 bring to the right, minus 1. So x is equal to 9. Okay, so next. Okay, so this one law of logarithms. Okay, so for the law of logarithms, so first you need to know log a base a. Okay, so if a and the base same, so dia sama a, so the answer is 1. And log 1 base a. Okay, so log any log, if here is 1, so the answer is 0. Okay, so dia akan jadi kosong. Okay, so this one actually from index, which is a is equal to a power of 1. Okay, so a ni bawa pergi ke sebelah, tolak 1 naik atas, which is a kuasa 1. Okay, so that's why log a base a is equal to 1. And this one also from the index, a bring to the right. Okay, so 1 is equal to a tendang kosong naik atas, become a power of 0. So any number power of 0, the answer is 1. So from this one, okay, so it implies that log 1 base a is equal to 0. Any log 1, so log apa-apa log base apa-apa, which which is here is 1, the answer is 0. Okay, so this one is the law of logarithm. So log AXY is equal to log AX plus log AY. Okay, so dah rub jadi tambah. And this one log AX over Y, it is equal to log X minus log Y. And here log AX power of M or log X power of M base A, it is equal to this power of M. Okay, so cos M, so this one, this power of M, you can bring in front. So boleh bawa pergi ke hadapan. It is equal to M log A, here is X. Saya salah type Okay. Okay, so M log X base A. Okay, next. Okay, so you can change the base of logarithm by using this step. Okay, so log B base A. So you take log B over log A, and the base you can write down any base. So base ni awak boleh tukar apa-apa yang awak suka. Okay, so yang paling penting kat sini, log B dekat atas bahagi dengan log A. So A dekat denominator, B dekat atas. Okay, so example this one. Solve each of the following equation for x. So to solve the value of x. Okay, so now x is on the index, dekat kuasa. Okay, so sebelum ni kalau if you learn the indices, to solve x at the power, this one to solve the power, so you need to make it the base same. Okay, so kena samakan base dia. Here 8 and here 15 tak sama. But this one you cannot change into something number which is the same base. Okay, so tak boleh ubah kepada base yang sama. For example 8, this one is 2 power of 3, but 15, 2 power of what is equal to 15. Okay, so there is no number power of what is equal to 15. So therefore in this problem, okay, so you need to take log on both sides. Okay, so log 8 power of x plus 1 is equal to log 15. Okay, so for the base, so use the base 10, because inside the calculator the base of the log is 10. Okay, so if I didn't write here the base here, it is meaning that the base of the log is 10. So kalau saya tak tulis, maksudnya dia punya base log ni adalah 10. Okay, so because of the law of log, properties of log, so this power you can bring in front. So you will have x plus 1 times by log 8 is equal to log 15. And then you need to bring this log 8 to the right. Okay, so jangan bawa 8 saja. This one actually together log 8. So korang tak boleh pecahkan, bawa 8 sebelah, log tinggal sebelah, ataupun bawa log sebelah, 8 ni tinggal sini, so tak boleh. So this one together log 8. Okay, so together. So you bring to the left, to the right. So you will have x plus 1 which is equal to log 15 divided by log 8. So the answer is x plus 1 which is equal to 1.3023. Okay, so therefore x 1.3023 minus by 1 which is equal to 0.3023. Okay, so next B. Okay, so B also same here, 5, 4 and 15. Okay, so you cannot make it same the base, tak boleh samakan base dia, because here is 4. So 4 actually is 2 power of 2, but 5 you cannot change into 2 power of something which is equal to 5. 15 also same. So therefore you need to taking log on both side. Okay, so before that, before you take log on both side, so you can bring this 5 to the right. So 5, 4 power of negative x which is equal to 15. Okay, so yang ni boleh bawa pergi ke kanan. Okay, so 4 power of negative x is equal to 15 divided by 5 which is 3. And then after that, taking log on both sides, and from the properties of log, so this power of negative x you can bring in front. So you will have negative x log 4 equal to log 3, and then negative x is equal to log 3 divided by log 4, which is equal to negative x is equal to 0.7925. Therefore, x is equal to negative 0.7925. Okay, so negative buat sebelah, jadi bahagi. So 0.7925 divided by negative become negative this one. Okay. Okay, so another example. Okay, so without using the calculator, calculate this equation. Okay. So 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 100 base 2 plus 3 log 4 base 2. Okay, so this one we have 3 terms, so 3 kind of log, ada 3 log kat sini. Okay, so in order to solve without using calculator, so you need to combine the log become 1, because your minus become divide, plus become multiplication. But before you combine the log, you need to make sure the coefficient of log in front this one must be 1, but here is 2 and here is 3, here already 1, so we need to move this one to another part in order to make it 1. So what do you need to do? So you bring this 2 to the power. Okay, so boleh bawa 2 ni jadi power. So therefore you will have log 5 power of 2 base 2, and then minus log 100 base 2 plus by this one also 3 bring to the power become log 4 power of 3 base 2. Okay, so now the base here already same, all the base for the log already same. So since it is already same, so you can combine. So log 2 5 power of 2 which is 25, and then minus become divide by 100, and then times by 4 power of 3 which is 64. Okay, so therefore you will have log 2 25 divided by 100 times by 64. Okay, so equal to log base 2 25 divided by 100 become 1 over 4 times by 64. Then simplify 1 and here is 16. So you will have here log 16 base 2, and then from this one 16 actually is 2 power of 4, and then from the properties of log, this power you can bring in front, so which means you have 4 log 2 base 2, and here 2 and the same also, the base also same with this number. Okay, so log 2 base 2, so therefore this one the answer is 1. So it is equal to 4 times by 1 which is equal to 4. Okay, so next another example. Okay, so solve the equation of this one. Okay, so you have here log 3. Okay, so before that, okay, so in order to solve this equation, so here we have 1 log and here another log. So in order to solve this equation, you need to combine the log from the here 2 log. So 2 log we need to combine become single log. Okay, so in order to combine the log, so we need to collect. So kumpulkan dia, x plus 1 minus by log 3 x base 3, and this negative 3 we bring to the right become positive 3. Okay, so before combine we need to make sure that the coefficient of log is 1, so here already 1, and another things, so we need to make sure the base are same. Okay, so the base for the log are same, here 3 and here 3. Since it is already same, okay, so next we can combine the log. Okay, so log base 3, since here is minus, so therefore x plus 1 divided by x which is equal to 3. And then this log, okay, so bentuk dia dah sama kan dengan Sama tak dengan yang atas ni bentuk dia? Ini tadi sini. Okay, so bentuk dia sama macam ni kan. So sebelah kiri kita ada satu log dan sebelah kanan kita ada nombor. Okay, so since it is already same form of this one, so we need to change the log into index. So kita kena ubah kepada index. Okay, so in order to change into index, so this base and here, so this base we need to bring to the right. Okay, so 3. Okay, so bring to the right. So this 3 will kick this 3 to the up. Okay, so x plus 1 over x sama dengan 3 ni, dia akan tendang 3 ni naik atas, 3 power of 3. So x plus 1 over x is equal to 27. Then to solve x, so first we need to bring this denominator to the right. So 27 times by x, which is x plus 1 is equal to 27x. And then collect x, so we will have 1 equal to 27x minus x. So 27x minus x, which is 26x, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over 26. Okay, so another example. Okay, so the log also will lead into the simultaneous equation. Okay, so sometimes dia bagi soalan dalam bentuk persamaan serentak, simultaneous equation. But in this equation, so the simultaneous equation consists of indices equation and logarithms equation. Okay, so first we need to find equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, so from this one we find the equation number 1. So I have 3x which is equal to, okay, so 27y we can bring to the right. 27y times with 1 because they divide. So divide, pindah sebelah jadi darab. Okay, so it is equal to 27y. And then here is the base is 3. And since we can see 27 is actually 3 power of something. So kita ubah 27 tu. Okay, so we will have x, 3 power of x. 27 is 3 power of 3 y. So we will have 3 power of x which is equal to 3 power of 3 y. So the base already same. So therefore x is equal to 3 y. Okay, so this one become first equation. Okay, so for the second equation from this one, okay, so we have two log x base 5 and log y base 5. Okay, so this one, okay, so two log, so we need to combine it become single log. So in order to combine become single log, so we need to make sure coefficient is 1 and the base are same. Okay, so here already 1 and the base also already same. So therefore combine plus become multiplication. So log x times y base 5 is equal to 2. And then this base bring to the right. Okay, so 5 dia akan tolak 2 naik atas. So xy is equal to 5 power of 2. So xy is equal to 25. So this one equation number 2. Okay, so for this equation, I think boleh ke buat elimination. Okay, so tak apa. Okay, so we use substitution method because here I already have x which is equal to 3y. So I can substitute this x into here. Okay, so substitute equation number 1 into equation number 2. Okay, so I have 3y times with y is equal to 25. So I have 3y power of 2 which is equal to 25. So y power of 2 is equal to 25 divided by 3. So y is equal to square root of 25 divided by 3, which is equal to positive negative 2.887. Then after you find the value of y, so we need to find the value of x. Okay, so for y equal to positive 2.887. So x is equal to 3 times y, which is 2.887. So the answer is 8.661. 21 to 24, 26. Yeah. Then for y, which is equal to negative 2.887. So I have x, which is equal to. Okay, so before that. Okay, so if y is negative 2.887, okay, so the log y, okay, so the log negative 2.887 power of 5 is not defined. Okay, so tak define. Okay, so log dalam dia tak boleh, nombor dalam log tu kita tak boleh negatif. Sebab sini ada negatif, so dia tak boleh define. So therefore for this one we didn't take the answer. Okay? So jawapan yang ni kita tak ambil. So therefore we have the answer x, which is equal to 8.661 and y is equal to 2.887. Okay, so another example. Okay, so this one. Okay, so log x base 3 is equal to log 9, log x plus 2 base 9. Okay, so base not same, 9 and here is 3. Okay, so therefore we need to make it same the base lah. Kita samakan base dia. Okay, so in order to make it same the base, so we need to change this base 9 into base 3. Okay, so biasa base yang besar ni kepada yang kecil lah. Okay, so we have log 3x, which is equal to log. Okay, so ubah base macam mana? Kita akan bahagikan. Okay, so log what divided by log what. Okay, so here is log x plus 2 divided by log 9. And the base, we can put it any base. Since we need to base 3, so we put base 3. Okay, so therefore we will have log x base 3, which is equal to log x plus 2 base 3 divided by 9 actually is 3 power of 2. Okay. And then 2 you can bring in front, so you will have log 3x, which is equal to log x plus 8 divided by 2 log 3. Okay, so log 3 base 3. Okay, so here same 3 and the base also same 3, so therefore the answer of this one is 1. Okay, so 2 times by 1. So we have log x base 3, which is equal to log 3x plus 8 pula, x plus 2. Okay, so x plus 2 divided by 2. Okay, so ini betulkan, ini adalah 2. And here also same 2. Okay. Okay, so next, so ni bawa pergi ke kiri. So you will have 2 log 3x, which is equal to log 3x plus 2. So now we already have log 3 and here also log 3. Only here we have 2. So this 2 we need to bring to another side. Okay, so kita kena bawa pergi ke atas. In order to make it, the coefficient is 1. Because here is 1. Okay, so log 3x power of 2, which is equal to log x plus 2 base 3. Okay, so now this one already same, log base 3, and here also already same, log base 3. So therefore we can take it the inside of log this one, which is x power of 2, and equal to the inside of log of this one, which is x plus 2. Okay, so this one become quadratic. So rearrange in the form of quadratic. So x power of 2 minus x minus 2 equal to 0. And then factorize. Okay, so factorize we will have x minus 2 and x plus by 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, therefore we have the answer x equal to 2 or x equal to negative 1. Okay, so again, if x is negative 1, kalau kita masuk log 3 negative 1, so inside the log is negative. Okay, so the answer is undefined. Ataupun dalam calculator dia akan tulis syntax error. So therefore we take the value of x which is equal to 2. Okay, so kita ambil 2. Okay. Okay, kenapa ambil 2? Sebab yang lagi satu ni negatif. So log kita tak boleh ambil jawapan yang negatif. Sebab kita terang-terang kat sini negatif 1. Kalau dekat sini tak apa. So kalau dapat negatif ni, kita kena check lah sebenarnya macam ni. Actually we need to check. So log 3x. So this one we can put log 3 negative 1. So this one tak boleh lah, because log inside is negative. For the another one, log base 9 negative 1 plus 2. This one log 9 1. Okay, so this one positive. Okay, so this one boleh. Walaupun x negatif tapi dia menghasilkan positif, so still boleh. Untuk yang kedua ni boleh, but for the first one cannot. Since for the first one is cannot, therefore tak boleh ambil terus lah. Kalau dua-dua ni boleh, kita boleh ambil. Okay. Okay, so another example, lagi sekali. Okay, so again simultaneous equation. Okay, so we need to find the first equation. So the first equation from this one. Okay, since here is 8 and here 4, there is a relationship between 8 and 4. So 8 actually is 2 power of 3 and 4 is 2 power of 2. Okay, so we have here 2 power of 3 and then power of y square minus y. It is equal to 2 power of 2 power of x square plus 2. And expand this one. So you will have 2 power of 3y square minus 3 times by negative y, which is minus 3y. And it is equal to 2 power of 2. So 2 times by x square, 2x square. And 2 times positive 2, which is positive 4. Okay, since the base already same, okay, so therefore you will have 3y square minus 3y is equal to 2x square plus 4. So this one first equation. For the second equation, we form it from this equation. So we have log 2y minus log x base 2, which is equal to 1. So here we have 2 log. Okay. So what we need to do now, so we need to combine these 2 log become single log. Since here is divide, so we will have log base 2 y, since here is minus, so become divide y divided by x, which is equal to 1. And then change into indices. So 2 bring to the right, so 2 ni kat bawah, dia akan tendang 1 naik atas. So y divided by x, which is equal to 2 power of 1. Okay, so from this we have y equal to 2x, equation number 2. Okay, so here not using elimination method because we have power of 2 and here also power of 2. So what we need to do, okay, so we need to do substitution method. Okay, substitute equation number 2 into equation number 1. Okay, so because here already y, so y equal to 2x, so that's part sama dengan y. Okay, so sini y sahaja. So we substitute 2x into y. So 2x power of 2 minus 3 times 2x, which is equal to 2x square plus 4. So here we have 3 times 2 power of 2, which is 4. And then x power of 2, which is x square. Minus by 3 times 2x, which is 6x, is equal to 2x square plus 4. And then this one multiply with this one, 3 times by 4, which is 12x square. And then minus by 6x, this one bring to the left, become minus 2x square, and positive 4 bring to the left, become minus 4, which is equal to 0. Then 12x square minus 2x square become 10x square, minus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. Dan factorize. Okay, so korang gunalah calculator untuk factorize. So saya tak ada calculator ni. Okay, so saya simplify dulu, kecilkan. So divide by 2, which is 5x square minus by 3x minus by 2 equal to 0. Okay, saya bagi 2. Kenapa? Sebab this one can divide by 2, this one also can divide by 2, and this one also can divide by 2, and 0 also can divide by 2. Become this one. And then factorize. So we have here 5x minus 2, not plus 2, plus 2 x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one, so you have x. Okay, so 5x plus 2 equal to 0, which is implies x equal to negative 2 over 5, and another one x minus 1 equal to 0, and this one implies x equal to 1. Okay, after you obtain x, we search the value for y. And again here x, this one is negative 2 over 5. Okay, so if substitute here, log negative 2 over 5. So inside the log we cannot take the negative number. So this one kita tak ambil lah. So we take this one, x equal to 1. So x equal to 1, y equal to 2 times by 1, which is equal to 2. So the answer is 1 lah. So we have x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Okay, so another example, this one. Okay, so here also same, we have 2 log. So in order to solve this problem, so we need to combine this log become single log. Before to combine this 2 log become single log, we need to make sure the coefficient is 1. And here already 1. And we need to make sure the base are same. Here 2 and here 4. Okay, so since it is not same, so we need to change the base. Okay, so therefore we have log x base 2 plus log 8x divided by log 4 equal to 6. And the base we put any number that we need. Okay, so since here we need base 2, so therefore we put here base 2. Okay, so therefore we have log x base 2 plus by log 8x base 2 divided by 4, actually is 2 power of 2, which is equal to 6. And then this power of 2 we can bring in front. So I have log x and log x plus log x base 2 plus by log 8x base 2 divided by 2 log 2 base 2, which is equal to 6. Okay, so this one same with the base, so this one become 1. Okay, so jadi 1. So I have here log x base 2 plus by log 8x base 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. And then cancel the denominator by multiply all of this one by 2. Okay, so kita darabkan dengan 2. So log x base 2 times by 2, so we have 2 log x base 2, and this one cancel, become log 8x base 2, and then 6 times by 2, which is 12. Then we need to combine, base already same, but here coefficient is 2. So therefore this 2 we need to bring here become power. So we have log x power of 2 base 2 plus log 8x base 2, which is equal to 12. Okay, so after this you can combine. So plus become multiplication. X power of 2 times by 8x, which is equal to 12. So you have here log 2 x squared times by 8x, so become 8x power of 3, which is equal to 12. And then So in this form, so we need to change into indices. Okay, so dalam bentuk sebelah ni log dan sebelah ni number. Okay, so if you see this form yang sebelah log sebelah number, so we need to change into indices. So 8x power of 3 is equal to 2 bawa pergi sebelah, so 2 tendang 12 naik atas, so 2 power of 12. Okay, next, so 8, this one is actually 2 power of 3, so I have here 2 power of 3, x power of 3 is equal to 2 power of 12. So x power of 3 is equal to 2 power of 12 divided by 2 power of 3. Okay, so divide become minus, so x power of 3 is equal to 2 power of 12 minus 3, which is 9. Okay, so this one power of 3 bring to the left, bring to the right become cube root. So cube root of 2 power of 9, or we can write down as 2 power of 9 power of 1 over 3. So it is equal to 2 power of 3. So therefore x is equal to 8. Okay, so another example. Solve the equation of 2 log this one. Okay, so to combine this log, since here coefficient is not 1, so we need to make it become 1. So we bring 2 ataupun okay, boleh lah. Okay, so we bring this 2 to the power. Okay, so we have log 4x power of 2 plus log 4 power of 2 base x is equal to 5. Okay. So here is base 4, but here is base x. So what we need to do? So we need to change the base of log. Okay, so you will have log 4x power of 2 plus by log 4 power of 2, which is 16, divided by log x. Okay, so this log x base, you can put any base that we need. So since here 4, so I put 4, which is equal to 15. Okay, so next we need to cancel the denominator. So to cancel denominator, all of this one multiply with log x base 4. Okay, so log x power of 2 base 4 times with this one, so we have log x base 4 times with log x base 4, so here power of 2. Okay, so and this one, okay, so cancel denominator and this one cancel, so you will have log 4 and 16 actually is 4 power of 2. Okay, so n is equal to 15 log x base 4. Okay, so sebenarnya 2 ni tadi saya silap lah, sepatutnya tak payah bawa naik, tak payah bawa pergi kuasa pun tak apalah, sebab kat sini ni dah jadi balik ni 4. So base 4 and here 4. And here also actually, if you can see here, log x base 4, and here also actually we have log x base 4, only here power of 2. Okay, so we need to bring this power of 2 in front. Okay, so nanti kita boleh combinekan yang ni dengan yang ni jadi kuasa 2. Okay, so become log x base 4, and then this one 2 log x base 4 plus by 2 log 4 base 4, which is equal to 15 log x base 4. Okay, so next, so this one multiply. So here multiplication and here multiplication. So 2, this one I can bring in front. So I have 2, and then log x base 4 times by log x base 4. It is become log x base 4 in bracket power of 2, and then plus. So this one become 1. So 1 times by 2, which is equal to 2, is equal to 15 log x base 4. Okay, if you can see here, this one log x base 4 power of 2, but this one is power of 1. So it is actually become quadratic. Okay, so what I do, so let m is equal to log x base 4. So this equation will transform into 2m power of 2 plus 2 equal to 15m. Okay. And then rearrange, so you will have 2m power of 2 minus actually you dah salah salin. So this one actually not 15, actually is 5. Saya salah salin. Okay, so betulkan semula. Okay, so salah. Okay, so it is 5. Okay. Okay, so 2m power of 2 minus by 5m plus by 2, which is equal to 4a is equal to 0. And then factorize. Okay, so you will have 2m and here is 2 minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from here you will have m 2m minus 1, which is equal to 0, and m is equal to 1 over 2, and another one m minus 2 is equal to 0, and m is equal to 2. Okay, so after that so we use this m to solve x. So for m is equal to 1 over 2, so we have log for x. Okay, so from this one, okay, so log for x is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so here log, we have log on the left side and we have number on the right side. Okay, if you see this kind this form, so you transform this log into index. So bring this 4 to the right, so you will have x is equal to 4 power of 1 over 2, which is equal to 2. And for m equal to 2, so we have here log x base 4, which is equal to 2, and this one also bring to the right, so you will have x equal to 4 power of 2, which is equal to 16. So therefore the answer, we have x equal to 2 and x equal to 16. Okay, so another question, solve the equation of this one. Okay, so ni pun nanti akan jadi quadratic. Ni biasa terbalik macam ni. Sini x base 3, but here 3 base x. So biasanya dia akan jadi quadratic. Tengok yang macam tadi ni pun sama. Okay, so here 4x base 4 and 4 base x, dia terbalik. So biasanya dia akan jadi quadratic. Okay, so for this one, so first we need to okay, so kalau kita dah nampak dia akan jadi quadratic. Okay, so what we need to do, so we need to make it same the base. Here x3, but here 3x. So we change the base x into base 3. Tak kisah nak buat yang ni boleh, nak buat yang ni pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, so you will have log x base 3 plus by 4 log 3 divided by log x. So base you choose what is the base that we need. Okay, so is equal to 5. So kita pilih je base yang kita perlukan, letak 3. Okay, so we have here log x base 3 plus, so log 3 base 3 is 1, and then times by 4, we have 4 over log x base 3, which is equal to 5, and then cancel the denominator, so we times all of this equation with log x base 3. So log x base 3 times with log x base 3, so you will have log x base 3 power of 2, and this one, since this one is on the denominator, times with this one. Okay, so this one will cancel with this one, so plus by 4, and then 5 times with log x base 3, so it is equal to 5 log x base 3. Okay, so since here log x base 3 power of 2, but here is power of 1, so dia akan jadi kuadratik. Okay, so therefore I let m equal to log x base 3. So from here I will have m power of 2 plus by 4 is equal to 5 m. And then rearrange. So rearrange, I will have m power of 2 minus by 5m plus 4, which is equal to 0, and then factorize. So m minus by 4 and m minus by 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from here m minus equal to 0 implies m equal to 4, and another one, m minus 1 equal to 0 implies m equal to 1. Then solve the value of x, selesaikan x. Okay, so from m equal to log 3x, so if m equal to 4, so we will have log x base 3 is equal to 4. So x equal to 3 power of 4, which is equal to 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay. And then another one, if m equal to 1, so we will have log x base 3, which is equal to 1. Okay, so this base 3 bring to the right, so x is equal to 3 power of 1, which is 3. Okay, so another question. I think the last one kan lagi tak ada code, last code ni. Okay, so solve the equation of this one, which is equal to 2. Okay, so yang ni senang sikit lah. So dia here log, on the left side we have log, single log, and the right side we have number. So therefore we bring this base to the right, so we will have 3x power of 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 power of 2. So 3x squared plus 1, which is equal to 7 power of 2, is 49. So 3x power of 2 is equal to 49 minus 1, which is 48. And then x squared is 48 divided by 3, which is equal to 16, x power of 2. So therefore x is equal to square root of 16, which is equal to positive and negative 4. Okay, so yang ni kita boleh ambil dua-dua sebabnya. Okay, so analyze from inside of log. So okay, so inside of log we have 3x squared plus 1. Okay, so if it is positive 4, okay, so 3 power times with positive 4 power of 2 plus 1, so the answer is 4 times 2, 4 power of 2, 16. 16 times by 3, 48. Okay, so 48 plus 1, which is equal to 49. If negative 4, okay, so it is equal to 48 plus 1, which is equal to 49. Okay, so dua-dua nilai x ni positif ataupun negatif, dia akan menghasilkan nilai positif 49. So kita boleh ambil dua-dua lah. Okay. Okay, so that's all for our lesson today. See you later. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.